Wait, don't you want to see if there was actually TNT under there, though?
Dude, I'm not trying to blow everything up, bro.
I just want to see if there actually was, or we just did all that big braining for nothing.
Dude, it's gonna blow up the moment you break a block. I already promise you.
How much you want to bet?
Dude, I'll bet that I'm the biggest bird, bro. Like...
Watch.
What did I just tell you? What did I just tell you, bro? You could have just died there. Theo, are you dumb?
It's fine.
Oh my
I had
gosh.
a totem.
Dude, that could have genuinely just killed you.
Okay, no, you know what? That was worth it, because the entire time, for the rest of my life, I would have been thinking, man, I wonder if there actually was TNT under there.